After a few months of using your iPhone, you may find the Messages app stores lots of conversations, including some important and valuable texts. If your important text message or iMessage is deleted from your iPhone due to iOS updates, system malfunctions, etc., how do you do? Keep watching to get 4 tips. The first tip is to restore deleted messages on iPhone iOS 16. Open Messages app. Find Recently Deleted. Select Messages and tap on Recover to restore them. The second tip is to restore deleted messages on iPhone from iCloud. Go to Settings to find General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Erase All Content and Settings. Reach Apps and Data screen and select Restore from iCloud Backup. Enter iCloud account and passcode and select a backup to restore. Please note, your iPhone will be erased, and all existing data will be replaced by the backup you selected. The third tip is to restore deleted messages on iPhone from iTunes. Connect iPhone to PC or Mac via USB cable. Run iTunes or Finder. Click Restore Backup. Select a backup to restore. Please note, iTunes won't let you view backup files. Please back up your iPhone before restoring. The last tip is to restore deleted messages on iPhone without backup. Run Phone Rescue on PC or Mac and connect iPhone via USB cable. Choose Recover from iOS device and click Next. Check Messages and click Next. Select messages you want to recover. Choose to recover to device or to computer as you want. That's all tips. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel to get more tips.